Welcome, guys, once again to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you guys on my channel. This is Creative Entrepreneurship Channel, where we share information that revolves around how you can make money online. I also share information like freelancing and also entrepreneurship and business. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell so that when I drop videos like this, you first of all see them on your timeline. All right, so I'll be sharing with you in today's video how you can make money with print on demand. So let me head over to the website as I show you how you can register. So the name of the website is called Printivo. So let me open it. Printivo. So all right, so you can see the dashboard of Printivo. What do you do on this website? You can print different stuffs like merch, t-shirt, mug, business card, and so forth. Let me head over to the menu and show you what you can do. So you can see you can print products like bags, banners, bronchio, business card, calendar, campaign materials, caps and hats, clothes tags, clothing and apparel. So those are basic things you can print on Printivo. So how do you make money on Printivo? That's a question that'll be running through your mind. All right, so let me just go through it. So you can see different stuff that are being posted, mugs that different individuals that created this on this website, and they have opportunity to post it and sell. You can see them with price tag. So how do you now make money on Printivo as an individual? So it's so easy. So I'm going to take you through from some few steps how you can get started. So first of all, what you need to know about Printivo is that Printivo is a Nigerian made brand. What do? You can come to this website and create different stuff, just like the mug, the merch, the clothings and so forth. So once you create it, you are going to create it using their website. You are going to definitely see different patterns that you can use to create it. So once you create it on their website, Printivo is going to sell it on behalf of the person that wants to buy it. So when the person purchases it on your marketplace, you are going to receive an email that someone just purchased like your t-shirt or a cap or a mug from your marketplace. So Printivo is going to get the products and deliver to the customers. All right, so once they deliver it to the customers, you get 15% interest on what is being sold. And this is a very good one. It's just like you doing drop shipping right here in Nigeria. So that is just what Printivo does. So that's why it's called print on demand. So this is how you can take advantage of this opportunity. You can see this t-shirt now. You can add your design here. So let's assume you created a marketplace. I want to write something on this t-shirt. You can just look for something that is trending around you. You understand? Something youthful that is trending and just write it on this t-shirt. And definitely Printivo is going to post it once your account is completed on Printivo and it has been accepted and you have opportunity to post it. Printivo is going to sell a t-shirt with your design to the customer and you're going to make 15%. So imagine you sell 10 of this t-shirt, you can know that you're going to make a lot of money. So simply come here, you're going to register, input what you want to sell, and I know some of the things that I know you can sell here. You can sell caps, you can sell mugs, you can sell shirts, so stuff that are trending. So you just look at, you can go to the marketplace and see. You can even sell this kind of courier bags. This stuff like this are trending, and just put your own design, or if you have a brand name and you input it, and with that you can put a price tag on it. You are the one that will put your price tag, and with that you can now sell it on Printivo without delivering to the customer. All what you need is just to create it, and Printivo is going to use their platform to sell and deliver. All right, so it's so easy. So, and also you can make money through referral. And how do you make money through referral? Once you register, you have opportunity to make 1,000 naira. You can see it over here. Refer a friend and earn 1,000 naira. That is so good. So imagine refer 10 friends, you are getting 10,000 naira. So guys, this is a very good way you can make money on print on demand. All right, so if you want to create an account, you just come over here, you see create an account, you click on create your account, and you input your first name, your last name, your email address, you input your phone number, you create a password that you can remember, and you can now create your account. So it's so easy. That is how you can create your account. And also, if you want to create a marketplace, you come over to where you see marketplace over here. You click on marketplace. Sorry, let me go back. Sorry, you click on the marketplace. All right, so once you click on the marketplace, you have opportunity to create your own design. All right, so you have opportunity to create your own you have the opportunity to create your own design. All right, so that is just how you can create your own design on Printivo. So in my next video, I'm going to be creating an account and show you how you can create an account using the marketplace. So once you register, just go over and sign up. It's so easy. You click on the menu, go to the marketplace, then you input the merch you want to create, either your shirt, your mug, and so forth. Once you successfully do it, you receive an email that it's successfully posted. So once someone come on Printivo, purchase on your marketplace, you get 15% on each and every purchase. So guys, hope you have got value from this video. If you have got value, kindly click on the like button so that most people can also benefit from Printivo. Right, so thank you guys for staying true to the end. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye.